Welcome to Nature Watch with Tony and Studders. Today, Tony is going to try and be attracting the Milwaukee hunchback tailwing at mating season. So Tony, do you feel confident?
I feel very confident, Studders.
Good. And how long have you been studying this Milwaukee hunchback tailwing?
Well, Studders, it's been quite a lot to have, about 18 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh, so you think you're ready then?
I was born ready.
Okay.
Now, I will try to attract the Milwaukee hunchback tailwing with my cry for help. I see one in the distance. Here he goes.
Cuckoo! Cuckoo!
I'm very disappointed in myself. I feel sorry for the viewers out there who have stuck with me. I cannot attract the Milwaukee hunchback tailwing.
It's not Tony, so...
I've got to go.
Okay.